Hey, so if you're booking a hotel on Booking.com and you're not sure how the payment works, yeah, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to pay on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, select your hotel, apartment, or stay and click Reserve or Book Now. Now enter your name, email, and guest information. Booking.com may show different payment options like Pay Now, Pay at Property, or free cancellation deals. If you need to pay now, choose your payment method like credit card, debit card, or other supported options. Enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing information carefully. Review your details and confirm the payment to complete your booking. Some hotels allow you to pay at the property instead of paying online in advance. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your booking details. Always save your receipt or booking confirmation for future reference. And yeah, that's it. That's how you pay on Booking.com safely and easily in 2026.